Have you ever wondered how important trending is in the realm of security? Well, let's delve into it. In today's hyper-connected world, staying updated with the latest security trends is paramount. It's not just about reacting to threats anymore. It's about proactively identifying and mitigating them. This is where the concept of cyber threat exposure management, or CTEM, comes into play. It's a dynamic approach to security that aligns exposure assessment cycles with specific business projects or critical threat vectors. It addresses both patchable and unpatchable exposures, ensuring that your business is shielded against all forms of threats. Moreover, CTEM also validates the exposure and remediation priorities of an enterprise, weighing in the attacker's view and testing the effectiveness of security controls. According to Gartner, organizations that prioritize security investments based on a CTEM program could see a 2/3 reduction in breaches by 2026. Therefore, keeping abreast with security trends and implementing a robust CTEM program is no longer optional, but a necessity for businesses. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is CTEM, and how does it align with my business projects? Let's demystify this. CTEM, or Cyber Threat Exposure Management, is an approach to security that aligns exposure assessment cycles with specific business projects or critical threat vectors. It provides a comprehensive view of your security landscape, addressing both patchable vulnerabilities and unpatchable exposures. But what sets CTEM apart is its unique validation process. It doesn't just consider the exposure and remediation priorities of the enterprise. Instead, it weighs in the attacker's view, testing the effectiveness of your security controls. This provides a more realistic assessment of your security posture, helping you prioritize your defenses better. Moreover, CTEM shifts the focus from expected outcomes, from tactical and technical response, to evidence-based security optimizations. This shift is supported by improved cross-team mobilization, which means your entire organization comes together to bolster your security. Predictions by Gartner suggest that by 2026, organizations that prioritize their security investments based on a CTEM program will realize a 2/3 reduction in breaches. That's a significant reduction, showcasing the potential of CTEM. Getting started with CTEM involves integrating it consistently with risk awareness and management programs. This provides a business-led focus and business value-based prioritization of exposure mitigation, aligning your security strategy with your business objectives. In essence, CTEM provides businesses with a strategic approach to manage their security investments effectively. Let's quickly recap the important points we discussed today. Trending in security is crucial, and the concept of CTEM, aligning exposure assessment with business projects, is of utmost importance. This approach addresses both patchable and unpatchable exposures. It's crucial to integrate CTEM consistently with your risk awareness and management programs. Gartner predicts that by 2026, this could lead to a 2/3 reduction in breaches. Remember, a proactive approach to security trends and a well-implemented CTEM program can significantly enhance your business's security posture.